Hi, I'm Emily. I'm currently working on the heart of our home. Come check it out.
My husband and I bought our first and current home in 2007, and I've been dreaming of redoing my kitchen for years. Finally, after 18 crazy, wonderful, and eventful years and 5 amazing kids later. Thanks to the Home Depot and Whirlpool, my kitchen dreams are finally becoming a reality, and with their help, we're transforming this boring wall into this. Because with a family of 7, there's no such thing as too much storage. For my first of many trips to the Home Depot for this project, where I met with a project designer to order countertops for my kitchen. I didn't even know that you could order countertops from here. I was totally unaware and blown away by the endless options that the Home Depot has, and I made sure to get some paint color options. I love having the Home Depot app for moments like this. I was looking for some faucets and I wasn't sure where they were at, so I looked it up online. It showed me exactly the aisle and the bay and where I needed to find them. First, I have to build the boxes for these giant pantry cabinets. I'm using pre-finished birch plywood, which is perfect. It's one less step because I don't have to add a top coat. Plus, they're strong and durable, and they just look really pretty. Not gonna lie, I actually thought installing them would be the easy part. Yeah, that was a joke. This Whirlpool fridge has so many great features, like an elevated deli drawer, adjustable shelves, and interior water dispenser. I like using MDF for painted cabinets because it's a smooth material that paints well and it doesn't expand and contract like wood does. So many products have free shipping and the shipping is fast. Thanks to Whirlpool and the Home Depot, we have something that's not only functional, but beautiful in our home, and I could not be more excited.